Hello, welcome back. This is Samurai Al, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a sound fade in. I tried to make a video on this previously, but accidentally uploaded the wrong one, so I had two of the same thing. So here I am remaking it. So this is yet another thing I wish I'd known earlier on. Whoa. Um, it basically just helps make your songs flow a little bit better, and it's pretty much all you need to know about the automation editor in the first place. So to make a track fade in, first of all, obviously you need an actual track. I'm going to be using this one. So to make it fade in, it's super easy. All you have to do is come up here, click this button to add an automation track. I'm going to move it under here and rename it just to make it easier to keep track of. And then you're going to click and it'll just make a box right there. And then if you notice these words, that would have been very helpful for me to have read because those actually describe exactly what you need to do. So to make it fade in, all you have to do is hold Control, click and drag the volume next to Zin, and drop it right there. And now it's automatically set to what it's at right now, which is 150. I don't know why it's 150, but whatever. So I'm just gonna shorten this real quick. Alright, so first thing you're gonna want to do is figure out where you are. So if you notice, you can see it moving around. I'm going to move it over here because this is where I want my end point to be, right on this beat, and I'm going to move it down to the 150 because that's where I want it to end. Whatever, that works. Next up, I'm going to click this button, which is, because right now, if you move a point around, it's just blocks. Also, if you right-click these points, you can get rid of them. Clicking adds another one. Unless you're too close to a point, then it just moves it. Clicking this makes it so that when you make it, it's like slanted very sharply though, and this one makes it nice and smooth. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it nice and smooth and pull this one all the way down, and then it's going to fade in. So here we go. There you go. That's literally all you need to do to make a sound fade in. To make it fade out, all you have to do is do basically the same thing except opposite. This automation editor can be used for loads of things, including time signature, but that's pretty much broken. The tempo, which is actually very helpful to know. I'm not sure what this is. What is this? Master pitch. Don't need to know that. Whatever. Master volume, that's kind of helpful. It can also be used for panning, so I'm going to show you that as well. So basically the same thing as volume. Just click and drag the panning onto the control. Also, all these controls in here, if it's built into LMMS, then any of these controls can be used with the automation. Unfortunately, plugins you get separately do not work with it. So here we are in the panning. Panning is currently set to 0. Panning is basically how far left or right it sounds. So here's what I'm going to do. Okay, so that's where it's going to end. Whoa, come back here. I'm going to make it so that the panning slides back and forth. Oh, here's another thing you want to notice. See this volume here? How it starts at 0? Watch this. What is this? Why is it at 0? There we go. Watch the volume knob. You can actually see it sliding up, which is pretty cool. Okay, back to the panning. So, I want it to end at 0. Oh, come on. There we go. And I want it to slide nicely, like boop and boop, 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 and smooth. So now, with the panning, apparently that doesn't do anything. That's not great. Guess LP220 isn't good with that. Whatevs, mate. Whatevs. I'll just do the same thing down here, because what the heck. You can control and paste the automations just like with the MIDI thingies. Now if you notice, ooh, okay, hold up, that's a really cool bass line. I didn't even realize how cool that bass line is, holy crap. Right, yeah, that's how you use the automation editor. This is yet another thing I wish I'd known earlier on. I'm gonna have to work on this song now. Well, thanks for watching, guys. This has been how to make sounds fade in or out, aka how to use the automation editor. I'm Samael, thanks for watching, and yeah, bye.